wake up in the morning and the alarm gives out a warning. I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell.
Welcome back to the second broadcast of the year. I'm Shayna.
And I'm Aporva
from the Knightwatch team. And today, I forgot what we're doing again.
Girl, we rehearsed this.
I know.
In today's broadcast, you'll be seeing an interview with our Teacher of the Year, your legendary athletes with Aaliyah and Janelle, a fun game with Samar and Sophia. I'm super excited to see what they put together.
Yeah. Hey, did you hear who the Teacher of the Year was?
Yeah, it was Miss Hutchhausen.
You're right, it was Miss Hutchhausen. Let's hear what she has to say.
Okay.
Hey Legends, my name is Mrs. Hutchhausen. I teach 8th grade U.S. history. I've been at Lawler since it's opened. I believe it's year 6, and I have 3 amazing boys. My first teaching experience was in Carrollton's Farmers Branch, ISD. I was teaching Texas history, 7th grade, also coaching during that time on basketball, volleyball, cross country, track. Extremely blessed and honored. It's still hard to believe. I'm extremely grateful to be at this school, to have amazing friends that I've developed here, amazing staff, admin, everyone has just been wonderful. All boys, they definitely eat a lot. So it's been nice. A lot of different hobbies, but also learning the different hobbies from like football and basketball, all those other things. So it's been great. I love to spend time with family. I love running. Currently not able to, but I am working on that. I just love being outdoors. I enjoy hiking. Just anytime I can spend time with family and friends, it's amazing. Favorite animal? Well, we do have a dog. His name is Finley, and he is a Morkie, so Maltese Yorkie, very small dog. So I'd have to say he's my favorite. I would definitely buy my family homes, wherever they want to go, take them on a trip. Just anything that I can help with family, friends, just maybe go on a big trip.
Based on that interview, she deserves Teacher of the Year.
I definitely agree with you on that one. You know, let's take a look at our legendary athletes here at Lawler.
I chose the sport because I fell in love with the game of the sport, and I just like playing the game of basketball.
I love playing basketball because it's a sport where you get to move around a lot, and I get to play with a lot of my friends, which is why I really like it.
Because basketball is like a lot more fast-paced, and it's a lot more fun than volleyball. Our RC team to get one of the most world-breaking points ever in Lawler.
We made our own goals in basketball, and some of ours were to work together as a team really well, but personally, I wanted to have at least a win per game.
To make a good team and get better.
Whoa, we have some pretty good athletes here at Lawler. Hey, have you ever seen a game show?
Yeah, my favorite ones are charades.
Wait, aren't Samara and Sophia playing charades with students?
Yeah, let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Samara.
And this is the Thanksgiving charades. The rules are simple. The team to act out the most and gets the most point at the end wins.
But you are not allowed to talk or mouth any words, and if you do, your team will be done for that round, and the other team will try to guess that word.
Yes, if the team is not able to guess it, the opposing team will try to guess it.
And that all has to happen in 1 minute. And so now, let's introduce our team. On this side, we have and on that side, we have a
You got it correct. Your time is up. You got it correct. Your time is up. You got it correct. Your time is up. You got it correct. The winner is the girls.
Hey, I heard that Andrea and Olivia are making some cookies.
Let's see what they have made. That sounds so...
Hey legends, I'm Olivia. And I'm Andrea. And today, we're going to be making pumpkin cookies with a little twist. Here's the twist. Andrea's going to be blindfolded so she can't see what she's doing. I'm going to have headphones on so I can't hear what Andrea's saying. There are some ingredients that you need if you want to make these at home. First, you're going to need any type of cookie dough, but it has to be sugar cookie. Oh, then we're going to need frosting. But before we start, if you want to make these at home, here is the recipe. Wait, what animal is in? Rhinoceros. Step 1. We have to put the cookies on the pan. Where's the dough? The dough. The dough. The dough. You need to open it. You need to open it. I need scissors. Where's the scissors? Scissors? Scissors! I don't trust you with scissors. I think that we should put it on. Can you read this? Can you read it? No, I can't read. You read. Oh my god. Inches apart. They have to do. Don't wanna make you mine. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use the cutting board to like roll the dough. You have to answer first, obviously. So yeah. Yeah. Lay it down. No! Part is now you're gonna have to take a pan and the dough, and you have to like put it 2 inches away from each other. Yes. Okay, cutting skills. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, we have to. Okay. Next step is you're gonna take the cookies and push them down like this. Or you're gonna take this and roll it. And no problem. Okay, yeah. Do I grab them? What? Do I grab them? And you roll what? Do I grab them? What happened? Do I grab them? Almost half. Can I grab them? Do you want to wash your hands? Are there more? What? Are there more? Are you poor? Are there more? Where's the other tray? The tray is right here. Where's the other one? The way? The other tray. Hey, 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 hey. This is a sad song. Hey Siri. We should put them in the microwave now, though. We should put them in the step, aka the last step, is icing the cookies. As you can see, we have the cookies. So fast. Here, you got a big cookie. Andrea, who's your favorite music artist? Justin Bieber? X, Y, Z, B, T, Q, S. I think I broke my cookie in like 8 places. What's your favorite subject at school? Oh, whoa. Oh, very romantic. You and cold? Cup hands. Legends, we finished. Look how good they look. I think they look pretty good, if I do say so myself. I agree. Because I can totally see them. I agree with what Andrea just said. That's it for this segment, Legends. I hope you guys liked it. 3, 2, 1. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching our second broadcast of the year.
Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube and Instagram. Bye, Legends!